Do you dream of designing apps that millions love? Crafting websites that are as stunning as they are functional? Or maybe even leading a design team for a top tech company? Well, let me ask you this. What's stopping you? Lack of experience? Feeling overwhelmed? Or maybe you just don't know where to start? Don't worry, because I have got you covered. In this video, I'll share exactly how I would start my journey to become a UX designer in 2025 if I were starting from scratch. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll walk away with a clear, actionable roadmap to kickstart your UX design career. Ready to unlock your future? Let's get started. When I first heard about UX design, it felt like this mysterious world that only a few tech geniuses could enter. I was fascinated by how user-friendly apps like Netflix and Amazon designed, but I have no idea how to design something like that myself. But over time, I realized UX design isn't rocket science. It's a combination of creativity, empathy, and strategy. And today, I'll guide you through the exact steps I wish someone had told me when I started. The first step in becoming a UX designer is building the foundation. In 2025, this means first, learning these basics. Understand the UX principles like user-centered design, wireframing, and usability testing. Free resources like YouTube tutorials, Coursera, and Google CX Design course are a great start. Second, mastering tools. Get hands-on with tools like Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch. Figma is especially hot right now, and guess what? It's free to use. Third, understanding psychology. UX is all about human behavior. Books like The Design of Everyday Things can teach you how to think like your users. But here is the thing, learning the basics is just the first step. The real fun begins when you start applying them, which brings us to this next part, building your portfolio. You have learned the basics and now you are ready to design something. But here is a challenge. How do you showcase your skills without any real-world experience? The answer is simple. Create your own projects. Redesign an app or website you use every day but think can be improved. Even better, create case study for each project. Explain what was the problem, how did you approach it, and what solutions did you design. Platforms like Dribble and Behance are perfect for sharing your work and getting feedback. And here is where the magic happens. Once you have a few projects in your portfolio, you'll find people noticing you. But how do you make sure the right people notice? Let's move to the next step. Picture this, you have got a killer portfolio, but no one knows you exist. That's where networking comes in. When I started, I joined design communities on LinkedIn, attended webinars, and connected with designers I admired. Trust me, one genuine connection can lead to internships, freelance gigs, and even job offers. But remember, don't just ask for favors. Engage with their content, ask thoughtful questions, and share your insights. Networking isn't about asking for favors, it's about building relationships. And once you have made those connections, it's time to use them strategically, which leads us to applying for opportunities. Now, here's the scenario. Your portfolio is ready, your LinkedIn is polished, and you are all set to start applying. But how do you stand out in a sea of applications? Start with entry-level roles or internships. Platforms like Indeed, LinkedIn, and even Upwork are great for this. But here's the secret. Tailor every application. Mention why you love their company and how you can solve their challenges. a personalized application always get noticed. And if you don't hear back right away, don't lose hope. Keep improving your skills, creating projects, and applying consistently. By now, you are probably feeling confident, but the journey doesn't stop here. Let's talk about how to stay ahead in this ever evolving field. Here's the thing, tech never stops evolving, and neither should you. Take advanced courses, follow design blogs, and stay updated with the latest trends like AI in UX or AR VR design. When I started, I made it a habit to spend at least 1 hour every week learning something new. And trust me, it paid off. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. And that's how I started my journey to becoming a UX designer in 2025. Now it's your turn. What's your first step going to be? Let me know in the comments. Your journey begins with action, so don't wait. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel and share it with someone who might benefit from it too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.